Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and I'm playing with the new Alcatel 3V. This is the largest phone in Alcatel's new portfolio of smartphones. That's because of the 6-inch display that it rocks. This 6-inch display comes with 2K display resolution. That's basically QHD plus because this is an 18:9 screen. Also dual cameras and fingerprint scanner along with the face unlock feature. Those dual cameras at the back are 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensors. The 2 megapixel is the depth camera which does refocus and gives real-time bokeh. Up front, a 5 megapixel shooter. This phone runs Android Oreo and is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. As far as the core specs are concerned, this is powered by a 1.4 GHz MediaTek 8735A processor, which is mated to 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. That storage can be expanded by another 128 GB. The glass back looks stylish. This is a fairly large device despite the 18:9 screen. Do remember that this is a 6-inch display with QHD plus resolution. The usual port placement, charging port and speaker at the bottom. The volume rocker is on the left, power key on the right, and the SIM tray and 3.5 mm headset socket on top. So the new Alcatel 3V, guys, this is part of Alcatel's new range of smartphones unveiled here at MWC 2018 in Barcelona. Thanks for watching.